sun shall soon shine. The sun shall wait. The sun shall soon shine. The sun shall soon shine. I can't even
go with black girl magic. I like all my women with no boy magic. Turn a 5 into a 10. Yeah. Black girl magic, you know black girl come the best. Black girl magic, I like all my women with. Black girl magic, you know my girl come the best. Black girl magic, I like all my women with. I like a brown skin, dark skin Barbie. Bold that yellow like Barty. That girl magic doing voodoo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for joining me today if you're new, and I hope you find this video interesting enough for you to subscribe and hit that notification button and comment down below and like this video, and thank you so much for your support. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I install my crochet locks. So this is the hair I'm going to be using today. These are goddess crochet locks. I got these from Amazon, and I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description box below if you guys want to check it out and purchase it or whatever. So these came in 6 packs, and each pack hold 20 strands of crochet locks, and I ended up using 4 packs, which in total is 80 strands of crochet locks. And of course you're going to be needing a latch hook as well. You can get this latch hook on Amazon as well, on eBay, on AliExpress, or even in your local beauty supply store. So you can get a latch hook from basically anywhere. As you can see, I'm starting out with a weird braid pattern. This was done for me by a friend. Thank you, Joy. And you can find different braid patterns out there, but this was what I had and this really worked well for me, so yeah, I made it work. As you can see, I'm starting from the back, and I normally start from the back. You can start from the front, it doesn't matter, but one thing that matters is, as you can see here, I'm leaving space in between the locks. You want to make sure you do that, and I'll explain why later. So here's a close-up look of what I am doing. What you want to do is basically get your latch hook and insert that underneath your cornrow, and then you want to go ahead and get your crochet lock, and on the top of the crochet lock there is a loop that you want to open properly, and then you want to go ahead and insert that loop into your latch hook, and then you want to remember to close your latch hook. That is important. Make sure you close your latch hook. So insert your loop and then close your latch hook, and then you want to go ahead and slide that through your cornrow, and then proceed to making a knot. In this case, 1 knot is more than okay for a good hold. If I were doing a different hairstyle, like a different crochet hairstyle, probably with a free tress hair, I would normally do 1, 2, or even 3 knots, for a stronger hold. But this hair has a more, rough texture to it, so 1 knot is more than okay. Plus, it's easier, when it's time to take them down, it's easier to, take them down. And I'm going to show you in 5 steps what I do. So step 1, you want to insert your latch hook. Step 2, open the loop on your crochet lock and insert that into your latch hook. Step 3, close your latch hook. Step 4, slide that through your cornrow. And step 5, you want to proceed to making a knot. That's all there is to it. That is easy, guys. Anyone can do crochet braids, anyone can do crochet locks, whatever. It's very easy. Like, I would rather do these, which take me like 1 hour, rather than sitting down for 12 hours and getting braids done and going through all that pain and paying all that money. This is cost effective, pain effective, and it's low maintenance. And believe me, guys, crochet is the way to go. You don't want to waste your time, your money, and just your sanity trying to get braids, when you can literally do crochet braids. So yeah, like I was saying before, make sure you remember to leave space in between the locks. Like I said before, this is because you want to make sure that they are well spread out, so you don't want to pack them all together. If not, it becomes bulky, it becomes too full, and it becomes just, at least for me, I like it full, but I don't like it exaggeratedly full, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video and I'll be back. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. These took me like an hour and a half tops to install, and they really look good on me. And when I got back from holiday, because I got these for holiday, when I got back I took them down, and they still really look good, because the more like rough they look, the better they look. So they look really good still. So I'm gonna reinstall them the next time I'm going, you know, on a vacation, or when I need a good protective style. That they're versatile like that, so that's why I love them. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and comment down below what you think of this hair. They look good on me, and I will see you on my next video. Besos. Mwah.